If you are in a leadership role or managing others or even in your day-to-day life at home, I have something that will help you tremendously when you're trying to solve problems. One of the greatest things a manager can do is be a problem solver. And a lot of times we end up solving our staff's problems all the time. And hey, that's what we pay them to do, is solve problems in their field of expertise. Now, I learned from Dan Martell the 131 framework, and I implemented it, and I'm telling you, it works really well. So what it is you find one clear problem. This is the exact problem we have, and then you work on 3 possible solutions. So what are the solutions that are possible for this problem? And then you focus on the one solution that you're going to go with. And when you're able to implement this in your work, especially with the people that are your subordinates, people that are coming to you with issues, man, this really empowers them. This allows them to really be able to do their job. And when you implement it, sometimes well, all the time, you got to teach it to them why we're doing it this way, and this is the way I want you to follow it. But once you really are strict with it, they start to get it. And I have some people that report to me that love to bring me a problem. It's like they're bringing me a gift, like, oh, here's the newest problem, boss. And they're so happy and they're waiting for me to solve it. And I got to the point where, okay, you know, why am I doing your job? Like, this is what you should be doing. This is what you're getting paid for. So when you're able to have somebody else do their job and you're empowering them at the same time to do their job, man, this is a win-win. And so being able to implement this 131 framework into your daily life will change everything. It will free up time for you and allow your team to do what they need to do. Now, after I implemented this into my system, some of you might not know exactly what I do. I run 8 different businesses in Vietnam with many locations, with many different departments, and I have 17 or 18 people that report directly to me. And in the past, I was just fixing everyone's problem, just helping them, advising them on every problem. Then I turned the 131 on in my system, and man, it just cleaned up a lot of things. They realized they had the answer the whole time, and it was just a habit to come talk to me about it. This 131 framework works really well at work. It works really good at home. If you have an issue, you and your spouse have an issue, or there's a problem that you guys are discussing, sit down and put the 131 to work. It helps big time when that happens. The other thing, you can even use it with your kids. Your kids can really benefit from understanding the 131 rule. They can take their problems, as small as they might be, or in their minds as big as they might be, and they can sit and think through, hey, these are my possible solutions, and this is what we should really look to do. So, 131 rule. Thanks, Dan Martell. This thing works great. And any of my Powersport Strategy followers, put this into place today, and you will be very happy you did.